Adi and Yani, say hello naman kayo to my vlog.
Hi! Welcome to our favorite tambayan spot, Inner.
Kung saan masarap mag-chill while having a very refreshing break time with
Coca-Cola!
Breakada! Welcome back! Yes! Hype na hype kami ni Yani today dahil ang makakasama natin ay ang paboritong anak ng CEO na taga Lasal, Tristan Sikat!
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Pero si anak ng CEO na taga Lasal, kailan siya at paano siya nag-start?
Actually, nag-start siya 3 years ago. Wala pa yung anak ng CEO nun, yung boses pa lang.
Pero yung anak ng CEO, paano yun?
Yes,
Wala
ang
lang.
galing yun.
No, after nun, nag-trending siya tapos parang tinuloy-tuloy ko at nilagyan ko ng label, anak ng CEO na Tagalas.
Ganun yun eh,
Siya
pag may
nagsimula.
nag-trending
Yeah.
kang content eh.
May storytelling.
Yes.
May storytelling.
May step 1, step 2 yung pag ano.
Yes!
Kaya yun, dun tayo napamahal sa content niya kasi very, very relatable, Yani. Pero ano yung mga moments mo sa campus na talaga namang nagpa-feel sa'yo na I love doing this, yung content creation?
Siyempre kapag kasama ko yung friends ko, talagang kapag nagko-content ako, mas gumagana, mas gumaganda yung content ko kapag kasama ko yung mga mahal ko sa buhay.
Wow! Ang galing. May pasok. And then actually, yun talaga yung masaya eh. Yung simple moments mo with friends and loved ones nagiging memorable. Just like our hangout session for today.
Yes, and speaking of friendship, guys, tara na, i-celebrate natin ito. Cheers!
Hindi na abot.
Naku!
Dito ang ito talagang favorite part ko ng tambay
Okay.
session natin.
Favorite ko lang to eh.
Yun oh!
Palakasan ng...
Yung sounds, no? Yung sounds.
Kaya nga,
Kaya pala na-amoy ko dito para alam ko yung kinain.
alam ko yung ulam mo.
Yes.
Alam ko rin ulam mo.
Ano ko sabihin?
At syempre, para mas rewarding ang moment, sulitin natin ang pagtambay natin with a fun game. Let's play the Breakada Pause Challenge.
May pag-game kagad si ate ko.
Kailangan natin sulitin si Tristan. Minsan lang to eh. Simple
Okay,
lang
paano
naman
ba?
yung gagawin natin, Tristan. Kapag narinig natin yung music, iikot yung camera. Tapos kailangan nating sundan at hulaan kung saang Breakada spot titigil.
Okay, ito ang goal nating lahat, guys, ha. Kapag tumigil ang camera, kailangan nasa frame tayo at nakabarkada pose or breakada pose. Hold lang yan hanggang sa tumugtog ulit yung music at gumalaw ang camera.
Yes.
Ganon.
Tara!
Tara!
Okay, music please!
Hataw mo, ini.
Ay!
Dinangit magseryoso for 30 na.
Sobrang bakit lang.
Sobrang acting.
It's open na.
Ay!
Exercise pala to eh.
Dinangit magseryoso for 30 na.
Kaya ba? Energy!
Kaya pag
May dito.
Ay!
Matik panalo-nalo. When you hear this line, you know it's go.
kakalambot ka, ah.
That real refreshing taste of 4:30 na. You have found.
Hey!
Kaya ba?
Grabe kinain natin yan, guys.
Guys, pause muna tayo. Mag-break muna kami with our refreshing Coke dahil may i-announce kami. Kaya, let's watch this.
Let's watch this, guys. Inom muna tayo, guys.
Sali na sa Coke Time Panalo promo. Collect yellow caps to spell C-O-K-E. Get the Coke Time cups at redemption outlets, scratch the lid for the promo code, scan the QR, and enter the code for a chance to win exciting prizes. Kaya sali na!
Sa mga sumali na sa Coke Time Panalo, ito na ang inaabangan nyo, mga Breakada.
Tingin sa screen!
Congratulations to our Coke Time Panalo winners of a brand new smartphone!
Habang sinicelebrate ninyo ang panalo ninyo, check naman natin ang ating mga student breakada na nag-iikot sa campus habang nag-hunting ng perfect tambayan spot.
Yes! Student correspondent, where you at?
Time check, 4:30 na. Break time na, Coke time ka muna. This is Gly, your campus breakada, and we're here in Diliman. Ang goal natin for today is to go around the area and ask students what's their favorite tambayan spot at bakit ito ang perfect tambayan spot for them. Let's go! Let's go meet new people! Let's go! Hi guys! Saktong-sakto, all you guys have to do is to answer my question. So I'll be giving you 5 options and you'll just have to tell me what's your favorite tambay spots. Okay? So the choices are, oh, before I forget, your top 3 favorite tambay spots. Okay? So the choices are Sunken Garden, Akad Oval, Palma Hall, Lagoon, and Area 2. So ano yung top 3 nyo guys?
I think my top 3 will be, of course, yung Akad Oval, tapos Area 2, and lastly, my top 1 is Sunken Garden. Ako, yung top 3 ko from there is yung Akad Oval. And then, ang second ko is Sunken Garden. And then, ang first ko is, of course, A2. Yes, ayun, Trisis ko, guys. A2, the best.
First would be Palma Hall. Top 2 ko ay yung Sunken Garden. And siguro yung top 1 ko ay yung Lagoon.
Do you guys have spots na ginigate-keep nyo, na yun, perfect for dates, or for quiet time lang, na gusto nyo i-share?
Sa akin naman po, yung hidden na tambayan sa akin ay yung quiet zone ng Triple E.
Ako naman, yung sa home college ko lang din, which is yung discussion room na katabi ng library. Doon kasi medyo free talaga mag-discuss ng not only ACADS, pero simpleng kwentuhan. Sorry sa stat people, parang inisplok ko siya, pero yeah.
Parang bet ko na rin pala gawing top 1 yung Palma Hall kasi it's very iconic.
Tambayan ng department talaga. Kasi parang napakalapit. Tapos doon mo talaga makikilala yung mga kahit hindi mo ka klase.
Same answer to the question and same experience.
Last favor na. When I say pag 4:30 na, sasabihin nyo, Coke time ka muna. Ayan. Pag 4:30 na, Coke time ka muna!
From the perfect tambayan spots, heto naman ang perfect winning moment ng ating major raffle winners na mag-uuwi ng brand new Samsung TV and a brand new Suzuki Jimny!
Uy, grabe!
Grabe talaga to.
Grabe pang alat na marami yan eh.
Please. Kaya naman, get ready, Breakada.
Tingin sa screen!
Jacqueline Doromal, Dana Bantig, welcome to your winning era! Congratulations to our Coke Time Panalo winners of a brand new Samsung TV! And now, Brekada, it's time for the ultimate prize! Yenny Bel Enoch, congratulations to our Coke Time Panalo winner of a brand new Suzuki Jimny!
Congratulations to all our
Uy, grabe!
winners!
Swerte!
Grabe talaga.
Maraming salamat sa ating mga kabreakada. Thank you very much, guys. Kaya join us again next week as we talk about pressure, burnout. Yan yung mga bagay na naranasan natin as Gen Zs, diba?
Tama, yan.
Kaya ngayon pa lang sinasabi na namin, kung pagod ka, okay lang magpahinga.
Yes.
Hindi ka tamad, break mo to, deserve mo to.
Kaya guys, enjoy the rest of your afternoon dahil magkikita-kita tayo next week sa Saturday. Dahil pag 4:30 na, Coke time ka muna!